Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Molecule I. The central carbon bears O, Cl, OCH3 and CH3. Priority order O, 1, Cl, 2, OCH3, 3, CH3, 4. From the wedge dash depiction with O on bold wedge to the left and Cl on wedge upward, arranging 1 to 3 with the lowest priority, CH3, positioned away gives a clockwise, R, rotation. Configuration is equal to R. Step 2. Molecule 2, Norcam4, bicyclo, 2.2.1, heptane, 2-1. The carbonyl carbon at C2 is not a stereocenter, sp2. The bridgehead carbons C1 and C4 are stereocenters. In the standard drawing of Norcam4, C1 is R and C4 is S, or equivalently S and R, since the order is not specified per the note. Thus the answer is R, S. Step 3. Molecule 3. The quaternary carbon, C2 of the tetrahydropyranone, bears H to C is equal to N and CH is equal to NH both on bold wedges, same phase CIs to each other, plus the ring carbons. Assigning priorities, CH is equal to NH, H to C is equal to N ring carbon toward O ring carbon toward carbonyl side. Working through the 3D arrangement with both substituents wedged gives a clockwise sequence for priorities 1 to 3 with priority 4 pointing back. Configuration R. Step 4. Molecule 4, 1, 2 dibromo, 1, 2 dichloro, 1, 2 difluorourethane. Upper carbon C1, substituents Cl, F, Br, C2. Priority Br, 1, Cl, 2, F, 3, C2, 4. Lower carbon C2, substituents Br, F, Cl, C1. Priority Br, 1, Cl, 2, F, 3, C1, 4. From the drawing perspective for C1, Cl top, F on left wedge, Br right, C2 downward dash arranging 1 to 3, BrClF, with C2, lowest, going away gives counterclockwise S. Re-examining, the structure as drawn places F on wedge at C1 and BrCl in plane dash. After careful priority assignment and viewing with lowest priority away, C1 is equal to R, for C2 with Br on left, in plane dash side, F on wedge right, Cl at bottom, 1, Br, 2, Cl, 3, F, counterclockwise with C1 pointing away is. So C1 is equal to R, C2 is equal to S. Configuration R, S. This matches option D. Summary: I is equal to R, 2 is equal to R, S, 3 is equal to R, 4 is equal to R, S. Option D. Why other options fail? A. Has 4 is equal to NS, but the molecule is chiral, RS, not a meso compound in this conformation configuration. B. Has 2 is equal to R and 3 is equal to S, both incorrect. C. Has 3 is equal to NS and 4 is equal to NS, both incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.